quick. What does passive income actually mean? It means money that keeps coming in even when you're not actively working. Think of it like planting a tree. You do the work once, you water it, you take care of it, and then it gives you fruit for years. The difference between people who struggle financially and people who build real wealth? The wealthy have multiple income streams. Most of them are passive. All right, let's get into it. Here are 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. What if I told you that you could make money while you're sleeping, eating, or even on vacation without a 9-to-5 job? That's not a dream. That's called passive income. And today I'm going to show you 7 real ways to build it, starting with $0. I've researched all of these, and the best part, you don't need to be rich, you don't need special skills, and you don't need to quit your job to start. Stay until the end because method number 5 is something most people completely overlook, and it's one of the easiest ones to start today. Method number 1, dividend stocks. Here's how it works. Some companies, big stable companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Realty Income, they pay you just for owning their stock. These payments are called dividends. So if you invest $1,000 in a dividend stock that pays 4% annually, you get $40 a year without doing anything. That doesn't sound like much, right? But now imagine you invest $10,000. That's $400 per year, completely passive. And the more you reinvest those dividends, the faster your money grows. This is called compound interest, and it's genuinely one of the most powerful forces in personal finance. You can start with apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, and you can literally start with $1. Method number 2, and this one is my personal favorite, YouTube automation. You've probably heard of faceless YouTube channels. These are channels where nobody shows their face. The videos are made using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing, and they make thousands of dollars per month from ads. Channels about finance, motivation, facts, and self-improvement are crushing it right now. Once your video is uploaded, it just sits there, making money 24/7. The best part is you can outsource everything, the script, the voiceover, the editing, for a few $100s. Or in the beginning, you can use free AI tools to do it yourself. This channel right here? It's proof that this model works. Method number 3, selling digital products. A digital product is something you create once and sell forever. Think ebooks, PDF guides, templates, courses, or Notion planners. Let's say you create a $15 budgeting template on Etsy or Gumroad. You spend maybe 3 hours making it, then you sell it 200 times that month. That's $3,000 from 3 hours of work, and it keeps selling every month after. The key is, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to solve one specific problem for one specific person. A weekly meal plan for busy moms on a budget, that's a product. A resume template for tech jobs, that's a product. $0 to start. Pure profit. Method number 4, affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. You don't handle inventory, shipping, or customer service. Amazon has an affiliate program. So does every major software company. Finance tools like credit card apps, investment platforms, and VPNs pay between $30 and $200 per referral. You can put these links in YouTube descriptions, blog posts, or even Pinterest pins. I know people making $5,000 a month just from finance-related affiliate links on YouTube. Start by joining Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact.com, all free to join. Okay, method 5. And this is the one most people overlook. High-yield savings accounts. Regular banks give you like 0.01% interest. That's basically nothing. But online banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally Bank, and SoFi are currently offering 4.5% to 5% APY. That means if you have $5,000 sitting in savings, you're earning $225 to $250 per year. Completely risk-free, no work required. This isn't going to make you rich, but it's literally free money for money you already have. If your money is just sitting in a regular bank account, move it today. Method 6, print on demand. You design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, upload them to Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, or Printify, and every time someone buys, they handle the printing and shipping. You just collect the profit. You don't need to be a designer. Tools like Canva make it incredibly simple. Funny quotes, niche-specific artwork, trending phrases, these all sell. Some people have hundreds of designs uploaded and make $1,000 to $3,000 a month completely passively. It takes time to build up, but the ceiling is high and the startup cost is zero. And method 7, licensing your skills or content. Do you know how to do something? Speak another language, play an instrument, code, cook? You can create a course on Udemy or Skillshare, upload it once, and earn royalties every month as people enroll. Udemy has 60 million students. If your course solves a real problem, it will sell. Top instructors earn $10,000 to $50,000 per month, completely passively. Even a short 1-hour course can make consistent money. You're not teaching live, your video teaches while you sleep. So there you have it, 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025, and you can start every single one of them with $0. Here's my recommendation. Don't try to do all 7 at once. Pick one, start there. Build it up over 3 to 6 months, then add another stream. The people who win at this game are the ones who start today, not next week, not next month, today. If this video helped you, drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. And if you want more videos like this, real practical money advice, hit subscribe. I post every week. See you in the next one.